Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track atomic habits in Notion templates. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to track atomic habits in Notion, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Notion. Once you open your Notion, you can simply use a pre-built template from the Notion marketplace or simply create a custom one from scratch using databases, recurring templates, and buttons. So if you're using a pre-built template, you need to browse and select. Simply visit the Notion template marketplace and search for atomic habits. Now you need to duplicate the templates and customize it according to your simple customization rules. So these templates often include features like habit scorecard, implementation builders, your habit stacking, and visual progress trackers. So you can simply build your own using all these. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.